Hello friends. So in this video we will learn how to make a game assist in Blender. So first of all, delete our default cubes and light camera and press shift A to add a cube. Okay, so now I am rotating this by holding mouse button. So scale is down and scale y-axis down. Okay, so I am creating a basket game assist, so we need a structure like a guideline. So this is cube is perfect. Press tab and select the down face and scale down. Okay, like this. Now we need a cube and scale down, scale z axis and scale y axis like a wood blank. Okay, scale down and rotate here. This is perfect angle. I think no, this one is good. Okay, so press shift D, so duplicate here, and shift R to repeat the action once more. Okay, and select all, press G to grab to here and shift. I want to join, also press Ctrl J, so join, and shift D, duplicate and press X to grab here. So now we need scale this side. Okay, so open edit mode, select down faces, all of this, and this faces are selected. So now we need to scale down like this, and upside faces scale and grab to what we want here. Okay, so rotate this like this, and I think we need to delete this for all and copy this one and rotate, adjust. Okay, so now we have done this part, so we don't we make this one side. So I think we copy this by duplicate and press tab and press L to select this faces and shift delete faces. Okay, and rotate like this here, side view, and rotate like this. Rotate here, adjust like this, and duplicate same, shift D here, rotate and adjust from side view. Now delete this and we got this shape. So more adjustment, scale on y-axis like this, and also this. Okay, now we make the ground of our basket. So I think we need a cube. Scale down z-axis, scale to y-axis, x-axis, sorry. Here scale x-axis, y-axis, and top view here, shift D to x-axis, shift R to repeat action. Okay, done. So now we need a stick, so make it a model stick, shift D, duplicate this and rotate, grab to here and rotate, make a red axis small and x axis thin, like that. Grab to z axis, I think here is here, and one here, like this. We need to scale this in y axis. Click here, shift D, rotate, sorry, rotate and adjust the size. This and this. Now it look cool, and same we need here to stick. Okay, so select this two, shift D, duplicate and rotate. Here scale and y axis, like that. Rotate him, rotate it, and shift D, grab to here, rotate, adjust, boom. We made a basket. So now I think we need a holder, like a basket hold, like here a hand grab. Okay, so I think we make a rope for this, or make a wood. Maybe wood is good. Wood is good. So duplicate this, no need more cubes, make duplicate and make easy. Okay, scale and I think this one is good. Rotate, grab to here, rotate. I think from top view we adjust the rotating, so here this look like this, and duplicate. Okay, copy, duplicate, copy, duplicate, same, repeat, same. Now it looks good. Now we need a curve point here, so I think we use same a here and scale on y axis, more here. In edit mode, it too many loop cuts. Select any of this by pressing alt, and I think center one. Click on proportional editing. You can see we make a curve basket handle. Okay, looks good. So we need, this is old basket and the old time, like 1918. So we want to add some fruits in basket. First we need to add a plane. Scale, grab to Z, like this, and I think we first we need to select all of this and press Ctrl J. Right click, convert to maybe we select not all, like 3, Ctrl J, convert to mesh. This is you can see objects not mesh. So what we do, select this one, convert to mesh, select this one, mesh. I think this 3 need to convert to mesh. So now we try Ctrl J, so boom, fix the issue. So let's try select all, Ctrl J. Yes, you can see the down part is not joined, so select the down part and press Ctrl J. Basket single object. Okay, So we need to add a material. Here material tab, new, like a wood color, maybe this one is good, and maybe make it more darker, like that. We can use image texture, but here you can find the blender kit, such old wood, like you can see the all wood textures here. Like I want to add this one, maybe something r- like something like plain, not like you can see as this is floorboard. We need a simple plain like this, but color are like that. I think this, try this, click and drag and drop here. Okay, 4 MB is back. You can download blender kit from Google and install. Preferences, add-ons, install, find your file and paste install, and you can see here blender kit. Just log in and search anything you want. You can see we have applied texture, but not look good. So open UV editor, press slash material U, select all, press here U, unwrap, maybe okay, this one good. Adjust the side which one you like. I think I like this one. So time to add some fruits. So first we create apples and stack time. So here I can find apple models, like this one, downloading, scale, rotate, grab to down, shift D, shift D, shift D from top, grab here, shift D, make more apples in the basket. Okay, blender has crashed. So recover the file, we need to click on file, recover, autosave. So before making anything, save your progress. We recovered our basket but not apple. Bye bye apple. So again we search apple and add apple, or apple, select this point, empty point, to scale all the things together. Shift, select this one, and shift D. Save. Before making, I want to save a apple basket, apple basket. Make something cool to rotate some random angles. Okay, this is enough apple, but here we want to add some more apple. Also here, yeah, enough good. So I want to add something like sand material here. So here I can find sand or grass, but I would like to add sand. I think this is good. Drag and drop. Let's adjust the light setting. So I'm going to add a str sam desert desert. Maybe like this. Add. I'm using full of benefits blender kit. Set up render setting. I have a GPU graphic card RTX NVIDIA RTX 3060 supported. Denoise render, you can see no render effect applied here, so we need to add subdivision in our plane. So make more sand. So I'm adding, you can see when I add we got this effect, shade smooth. Also we can add a subdivision surface to get more details like that. Impressive. Set up the camera view, press N to view camera to view, zoom out like that. Or we can make this by property, visibility, shadow. Only we got shadow, not a plane in our scene. So this plane here down, rotate something. So press render to view what we have done. The render process, you can see how realistic this looking. So subscribe my channel for more quick and easy tutorial. You can see the details of apples and the basket, but looks really good, really realistic, full realistic. It's take a time. So hope you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care, bye bye.